This is why we don't come to Target.
You guys. I think we scared it. Why? Why is it like? Here's my strawberry lemonade. We both got strawberry lemonade. Here is my avocado toast. Russ has hot dog and fries. We are here for lunch.
If you didn't do anything, so that's what you have to do the same.
Play? You wanna play? I have the quarters. You gave me, yeah.
Is it a quarter? I don't know. It said 1 coin.
Oh, you have to get a coin from that. Yeah, that's what I saw. Yeah. There's a path right here. They're going on a trail. Where'd he go? Okay, we're on our walk right after lunch. Walking after lunch. I had a very light one, just an avocado toast, and Russ had hot dog and fries. Another what? Yeah, it continues. It can.
White-tailed kite. That's the ones that hover in place.
It's nice they have trails. I didn't realize they have trails along the thing here. I saw it coming in and I'm like, oh. Wildlife. This is the same as the other one over there. Yeah. It's stalking something, food. It's going fishing. Heavy dark clouds. It's gonna rain. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. 100%. Thursday.
70%.
No, it's 100%. It's raining hard. It's raining this morning, so we'll have to do our walk in When the rain stops. Look at that. It got really windy. It's windy. Wow. Hopefully it'll ease up a bit and we'll be able to do our walk. Otherwise, we'll be indoors all day today. We're walking in the rain. Everything's wet. Rain is a little bit light right now, so we're walking. Earlier it was heavy and windy, so we decided to wait until the rain let up. This is the sky. Tomorrow is supposed to rain again.